Citizenship Amendment Bill Act on Toku Yarway Bill sing out the Luft can Yaning what left na Fungo Marley. So, Ipal Manungi Lambida, Gari Midi meets in with Sang Hangal Liver Sigim Tungina Saddle Senda Kudong Sanaba, PWD na Atorang. As they begin Manipuri Paumin, W. Sing Taranok Sobolo in a box, Sanon Pizre. Citizenship Amendment Bill Act on Tofu Yarway Bill sing Mauta Lufkan Yaning Balepna Fondonor Lay. All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association Committee of Civil Society Kanglai Park United People's Friends of Manipur Madi Manipur Friendship Organization Tarupa Cherol Singasina Bill Sina Act on Senar Labadi Masing Tingam Draba Mia Mamabo Indagi citizens Ola Labamatunda Indagi Constitution Matung Ina Nauna Kundaribaduna Indagi Lining from Sing the Lena Honor Pomatamda Manipur Gumba Apupama Pamasida Sound Kulung Tiba Mayoknagani Masina Manipur Yellow Missing Malim Lemadi Mutkiba Yabi Pivam Lakani Amoronda the Manipur People's Protection Bill asi Manipur Assembly na pass tawkrabasu Governor na ayaba pidana Bharat ki President da thakibadagi hauzik phawba tumina leksiliba sina takpadi Bharat lengang na kanglai pagasibu mutkrasanu haibi khudamni Lok Sabha da Citizenship Amendment Bill pass tawkiba sina India ki framework khaktamak yengmani apipa community kayagidi khandaba thongni center da BJP lenga sina dharmagi mieng damadi makoya pamadu fangnaba honabaga loinana rajniti khudong saba khara fangnabagi North East amadi Manipur da leiba purup singda hena awaba pibigi lalong ama sangsilakle Manipur lenga na Manipur miyam ya pamba si central government ta bill asi yaba ngamloi haina akan mapire thamgadabani bill asi yaning de haiba sabsaba khangan baga loina masigi mayok to rajniti dal punamak na punna leminagadabani Chief Minister Birena Lamdamasi Ngaksenaba I Lazy Hairibadu Miam the Putoktuno Utpiu India Parliament passed Okraba Amabumotokram na Manipur Assembly na Kakani Masig Matang na Matik Saba I namade document sing Chief Minister na Putoktuno Miam the Kan Gadabani Bilasing Matanga Lamdamasi Leba Civil Society Club Organization Marapai Biamadi Uresa Punamana Amatoina Iho Hominarsi Hari Impal Manungi Lambida Gari Amidi Mi Simgi Sang Hangalak Liba Sigimatung in a Shatok Senda Kudong Sananaba, PWD na Kanapatorang Pakalali, Tabak Singa Sigimanung Sana, Hana Labor Rotary Junction, Pixinba, Lambisa Primo, Hongdopamadi, Footbridge Sabi Tabak Pakalali, Hiramasida, Reportma.
Fal manungda lambigi apakpaga gari masinga chanaraktabana maram oiduna gari chinba hengalakpa amasung Rotary Junction oriba khongnang ani kara kanglagi nongsuk thangba gate amasung Governor Gate mamangda traffic jam thokpana thengnari khudong chadaba sing asi hantha hannaba Public Works Department na paikal liba thabak singa mari leinana Additional Chief Engineer Tongbam Ravindra Kumar na phongdor kibada Ministry of Road Transport ki sentang makhada paikatpa project asigi tender loiduna Bangalore gi Sanjay Infra Company na thabak haubaga loinana maru oriba Rotary Junction ahum asida Junction asi Pixan ba amasung footpath sing Pixan bagi tabak haure tabak sing asi maru iba pandam asi lambi gi apak bagi saruk hengat han baga loinana traffic ki flow lehanduna traffic jam thok ba hanthana na bagi trial basis ta ahan boina pakat pani amarom da nitaipat BJP office gate mamangi awang thangba saruk ta leramba footpath amasung median gi saruk sting hongdok baga loinana lambi asi faksok han bagi tabak haure haina phongdorakhi
hojiki leiriba rotary sing jina khoi gi traffic movement da kitang nuaita ba thok si phanana wa haina khoi na korani karaki rotary sing ji pura loktoga mayai rotary masam khatang thamakanda atei singsina free when akoi intersection gi type ta akoi amasi design tawjabani free when chapa yana na baina akoi curb kumba the footpath kumba racing sing de kitang kitang sok pa yawi masimo loktoga kanda akoi left hand sing fazana chalhana ba honari akoi kangla ga governor gi mamang de rotary se yam chawu maram na ana le rivesna 27 meters mungni masi 18 to 20 meters the pixel kanda gari sing ji free when satpa yanaba aduga gari amaga other side ta gari ama live ju unanaba mong na koina masigi design se tawjabani high basing sina la agadi khogi lambi sing straight when sakiba da su free when satpa yanaba adigi left turn sing da su free when satpa yanana ba haina khogi junction sing ji design tawrakanda akoina thabak shuba honjabani
project asigi manung sanna foot bridge ahum BT road flyover bridge makhong kanglagi nongsup thangba gate amasung kaisampata sabagi thabak haure SCY Joykumana fongdora khibada foot bridge ahum asigi foundation pibagi thabak haubaga loinana masigi leigada structure gi thabak sing Pune da sabagi thabak hauba haure March ta fawbagi manungda saba losinana bagi pandam thamli foot bridge asina lambi lanthok na ba honabda thengnari ba khudong sadaba hantahanba amasung gari chatpadasu appanba lehandaba ngamlagani haibagi thajaba lei haina fongdorakhi
foot over bridge na most vulnerable ki road user habitat agadi pedestrian singini the pedestrian singigi magi facility ama pina na ba kana foot over bridge ahum ni saga risi khigi johnson mamangi foot over bridge ki koi foundation nakan magi foundation koi pal hutpal loire aduga anna khigi eastern side of hutpa hawrani aduga similarly koi gamresin arcade ki da koi southern side ki pass hutpa hawre siju koi at the most koi ni mari mani koi loire ni aduga koi northern side hutpa hawrani the koi target si koi February ba manungda di koi superstructure ji loisinaba koi target to bani foot over bridge amagi ihan han amasigi this is not a permanent solution interim solution ni permanent solution na koi elevated highways adagi Imphal ring road na lakidore to maduri it may take time for implementation.
Citizen Environment Bill asri makhatana Rise Sabata pass tawhandana nawa amatoina punsinaduna miyamgi ho lepna sangsin batangai fadi haina political analyst L Sharchandruna ISTV News ko unabda fondrotle mana makhatana kariguma bara lengana bill asri puthokpa targa sumai pahandana ba kok jungsin batangai fadi awang nopol lamnumgi miyamna bill asri sanahan ba pamdrabani na rasnadigi khenaba thamdana amadi civil society organization singna amata oina punsinaduna bill asri ma yakta lepminaba matamoire haike
Howzik Manipur ki interest amasung North East states ki interest aikogi Manipur ki chief minister na lusingna center da haige dori bapam mayam se masi tabi gani nai thajai hariba bill se masi Rajya Sabha da tarai na hekta pangthok pase masi aikoi tawdaba se masi aikogi tawloi dabani government su yaninga ba praja su yaninga ba aduga aikoi sadharan punamakna yaningba adugumba opinion si kari noi matamda bill se Manipur gi mapam da chalandan ba North East chalanda ba haiba sidi aikoi common in loina yai haijari ba aikoi tago war gi thori si pulap ama chingtar di mai amata da pulap sarkar chu opposition chu adi miyam chu satri organization chu adu civil society organization jing chu pulap na amata da siminaraga pangan si thokani lamdam jibu nungsibiraba bharot kayan ningdraba adorita handaki bill se Rajya Sabha hatu te puthok pase masi matam chade praja gi yahudi lepa yade aduge civil society mayam na langi basing ji ko lepa yade satana tori bisul lepa yade political party punamak government yawba natra yawdo punong se amatoina notice ki mayam gi changre Manipur gi su ekoi amatoi ba wapamda ekoi si punna lemina sena
Salai Holding Private Limited Imphal ki chairman amadi managing director Narangbam Samarjit na lusing ba mi taramari na sabati mama Myanmar gi Sagyang state ngasidigi hayang phawba sathagidaba business summit and trade fair da saruyari Sagyang state ki chief minister na ngasi business summit and trade fair do haudoki thomda mahaki council of ministers amadi Myanmar gi tongan ba lalolitika mari leina ba mi singna saruyaki Taramadur Wangang bada Narangmam Samarjina Haiki Myanmar government na ayaba pirabadi mahaki company na leba aduda tuan ba factory amasung projects ng paikatuna leba ani gi marakta leinaba mari hena seselhan ngangani loinana Myanmar thoide hendok na Saigangi miyam gi hingnab gi lambi su hena mating pangba oigani Mahakna Hydro Fort Project Local Area Development Bank amadi Myanmar dagi Manipuri dagi Myanmar loan da amadi English ta natroga Myanmar dagi Manipuri da handokna ba language translator sings hapchin nawa singbagi matang da wafam ka phangdoke
It is a time to be more conscious about what we consume more than what we produce. So before we start production, we need to think about, we need to talk about, we need to discuss about what we are about to consume. Because after consumption, it is very difficult to segregate and to divert, the food and the residue we consume. So before that, so now the time has come in all over the crop to produce the organic type of produce, less chemicals.
Veteran CPI leader Comrade Thangzam Chawwa setkiba tang manga da masagi anaba amadi lekhidre communist lusingba moina mahak Manipur statehood andalonda mangjil thana saru yakiba misa amani mahana lekhidabada CPI Manipur State Council na awa phongdorle housing makha paw ke mulak tang da tema bremtang lominase
मियाम द खंगनजबा चरुमई थादोक पिगनो लौफम द चैखाइरगा माइक्रोवेव डिकम्पोजर सिजनदुना लेपाक लेहाव हेंगत हंसी
सरू मई थाबना सरू द यावबा पांबीगी मचिनजाक अयाम मनी लोंदुना मांगहल्ली लोइना नुंगसिसु मोलहल्ली सरू पथा लगा अमुक हन्न खोजिनबसिना लौफम द ऑर्गेनिक मैटर हेंगलहल्ली सरू लौफम द मो हंजलहल्लसी
AeroKids International Preschool. Admission open for daycare, playgroup, pre-nursery, nursery, KG. Session starting from 21st January 2019. AeroKids International Preschool, Sagol Bantera Lukram Lairak, Soiba Maning Yenkum Lairak Taba. Email address aerokidsimf@gmail.com 9366348092. Royal Unique Education Center, Thangmei Bansinam Laikai, near Fishery Gate. Admission open. Foundation courses for class 9 and 10. Subjects offered: English, Mathematics, Science, Social Science, Mitay Computer Science and Higher Mathematics. Classes starts from 28th January. Last date of admission 27 January 2019. Faculty: well experienced senior teachers and POSM HSLC examiners. Hurry, limited seats.
Jingmairong da laiba City Hospital and Research Center da Dental Department na ahal lamadi angang singi oina free dental health checkup ki kudong chaba lagliba January ki tang kun fawba kudong chaba bijari. Center asida chada yangkai subsidized rate makhal khudingmakki oiba ngasi ngasibak lengsin biraktuna yagi nungaitaba khudimak tanabiu amadi layeng thopiu
angang oiringaida aina ningai hek tawbada pabungna achapar hekta leibi aigine bo hayadi pabungna adum aisu ningai adum tawsinne adubu khanghaude kaungam wari machak kaya ga sagonaduna chatpatari ngasidi.
This wedding season, let us celebrate togetherness with Tarets Chahau Puja.
Hangbiragani Redlands Baling Michin, Charumai Thabana Oihalakliba environmental pollution, soil fertility Nisingba Singdagi, Kannana Bagidamakta Lajare, Redlands Baling Michin Asigi Matingna, dairy farmer Amadi mushroom farmer Singdasu, Kanaba Kayapiri, Samuroda Laiba Ima Dairy, the Ngasti Maglangsin Biraktuna, Redlands Baling Michin Asigi Kanaba Lobiho.
Ningol Chakobda Pengbang Haton Chabi Hogdabro, Wabi Rudanu, Central Agricultural University Nasinba, North East Ki, Quaitaki Chauba, Agrifiarda, Manipuri indigenous trees.
Mapung Maray Faraba Pengba Fangbiragani, Tang Taramategi, Tarahumde Fauba.
Melamapam, Central Agricultural University Hiroshima, Pengba Keji Tara the Keji Amaki.
Putuk Chariba, S. Surchandra Pengba Farm, Hyangtang.
Langsin Biraksi, Sagolban Moirang Lerak Machinda Laiba, Mother's Care Central Hospital and Research Center da Dental Department na ahal lamadi angang singi oina free dental health checkup ki kudong chaba lagliba January ki tangkun fawba kudong chaba bijari. Center asida chada yangkai subsidized rate makhal khudingmakki oiba ngasi ngasibak Langsin Biraktuna yagi nungaitaba khudimak tanabiu amadi layeng thopiu.
Nakhoi hauzik aigi school khaningbra. Aigi school di konungdong na fajaraba. Lekol na kushin bada natana. Ayet pa yaudraba santi oraba mafam. Tamning bata tambayaraba. Hining bata haybayaraba. Chawkhatlaba miramgi school ga changdamnabada nutraba. Yumgum na nungaraba mafam amani aigi school di. Kids Foundation. Come join me.
W Square Home Spa Kit. Give yourself a spa makeover, all in the comfort of your home. W Square. Why wait? Preventive cosmetology now in India.
15th Kindergarten Graduation Ceremony and Felicitation Program. The 15th Kindergarten Graduation Ceremony and Felicitation of class toppers of the Blossom School, Moirangkom and Changangai will be celebrated on Sunday, the 13th January at 10 a.m. at the Changangai campus.
Break between the Taramok Srim Hata Boxing, Social Development Organization Jaripok Laimanai Sinduna Laimanai Youth Club ke ground Omlak Suba All Jaripok's One Day Women's Offense Tug of War Championship lising ni Taragama Palda winner Orikraba Kerkuyari Club Yaripok is Hanoi Singh course somebody team official Singh Harautam Okre Opaki Tramatu the MLK Megasindra Kerkuyari Club ke President Atopam Sunil Mite Yonomi Kanasturake Club ki Makiti ki Hanoi Singh course somebody team official Singh the Kudol Porpidon Punitawaki Citizenship Amendment Bill say Act one of the Trinamul, Olanda Nabigdamata, Trinamul Congress and Towa Tabak Singh Subsana Pakatani Hari. All Manipur Sericulture Development Organization Namadi, Tanga Women Industry Puna Kusum Naduna Mitaramani, Supna Satakaba, Til Mohomdagi, Lang Sumbamadi, Lapu Madi, Tambal Makutagi, Lang Sumbaluna. Lang masu sangwi training program ma ngarang thanga hasnam la kada hokre pun nupi sama yang keromna sarwaki training program tu da tapi tambi gadori bai All Manipur Sericulture Department Organization Secretary and Anbina training program si Manipur gi mafamati di supang thok na panam tamli haiki All Manipur Sericulture Development Organization gi executive member Saroja Laitsumna Manipur da lapudagi langsung gi thabak se yamna mai pak na paikhalakle masina fi khakta na tana ton ba polam chu sabayai haiki
Yakuina Saba Kalamiana Mamanga. Adu Hodiki, Lapudagi Ganaba Kari Pambage Habido, Nasidi Miamda, Kanan Bhatamina, Sea Hidana, Aquina Hoji, Tamaka, Emagi training programs in the sea, Hodok Jabani. Luna, Helungi Tabaks, the handicraft Tabaks Lunana, Funchella Hida, Sigma Boto, Putopayaba, Aqui Tamna the Gikari Putopayai, Lapudagi Kari Putopayai, High Potimia Budamasi Kanga, Nasigi, Samasida, Tabak Panga, Lay Quayam say. Nupi Koi Sekari Taroga Pasata and Sige, Central Lambi Lena Bagdamaka, Asuma training program as Saruka.
Pisabi mana pengdropada asiguma training program si mai pangna paikatuna Nupi Sumbu Masagi Central Lambi Lena Bahona ning Heke.
Jiksi Tambiri, Adagi, Lamdam City, Loktak, Hyberlam, Zina Kuan, Bazaganina, Loktak City, Mapam Karada, Tamban, Tamnasi, Yam, Pazana Maraka, and Hoba Mapam Labana, Zaga Oibana, Tambangi Makoki, the Gaquina Lang Chungaga, training Sida Lang Chungaga, Peace Hazare, Equi like Lamdam Sigi, Nupi Sigi, Subam, Japam Kangdana Labor, Mayamse, Kumzala Kanda, Magi Simpam Piraga, Centolambigi, Adagi Centolambisi, Asukimatic Lairan, Hana Taze. Sakana su akwai industry sibu pungning chingchan biraga mateng pibina ba loan gumba kai gumba mayamam su thada birangna ba government gi pungning chu chingchan jari
Loisal number reporting amukana bizari Citizenship Amendment Bill Act on top of Yaroi Bill sing of the Lufgan yaning ba left na phone donor lane Balmanungi lambida gari amdi mi sinmi sang hangalak liba sing matungina satok sa sinig budong sana na ba PWD na kanaba torang paikalak li. Because pau budi ayas timin pizaba Manipuri pau matang slow jire. Meng tabi punong pau mukana kurang jire.